Natalie Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Natalie Attired unboxing and try on. I am so pleased that you are spending some time with me today, and if you are new to my channel, I would like to welcome you and thank you for visiting me. I sure hope that you will subscribe if you like unboxings and women's fashion. Those are the videos I make here. And to my returning subscribers, hi everyone. It's always nice to see you and to hear from you. So let's talk about Natalie Attired. This is one of my favorite subscription services because my stylist at Natalie Attired is not afraid to push the envelope. I really appreciate that she will send me eclectic and unique pieces that I might not find on my own. Natalie Attired has introduced me to brand new labels, and I appreciate that as well. If you would like more information about Natalie Attired, or you are interested in getting a box for yourself, I've left everything you need to know in the description box below. I've also left my referral link. I just have to give a big thank you to everyone that has used my link and all of my links. You guys make this channel possible. Thank you so much for using my links. Now let's just get into the box. Okay, this one's different. This is what the box looks like, and it looks like we have some jewelry. I haven't received jewelry from Natalie Attired in a long time, and we have our bundle here. With every bundle, there is an invoice. That's what that is. And there is also a note, a personalized note from my stylist. I'll read that in a moment. Let's look at the bundle. This is my bundle. Let's see, look at all, ooh, I love these colors. I love the colors. Okay, this one looks great. Let's start with the jewelry. Let's see, celebrating you. Oh, this says, enjoy your gift from the Natalie Attired team. So this is a gift from Natalie Attired. Wow. Okay, that's really cool. Very special. Let's see. You guys, look. It's by Electra Lang. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look at it. This is so beautiful. This is a silk scarf. Oh, wow. And this is by the Electra Lang label, and that is a label that Natalie Attired introduced me to. I love it. I've been able to try some of the pieces. I purchased the most beautiful dress I probably own from Natalie Attired by this label, and now I have a scarf to wear with it. Oh my goodness, what a thoughtful gift. This company is really outstanding. They just go above and beyond, and this is just warms my heart. Every package does have a return mailer. If there's anything in here that doesn't work for me or any exchanges that I need to make, I will use this prepaid mailer. They use the post office. Very easy. Okay, let's get into the clothes. This is the first piece. Ooh, and I really like the colors. This is white, navy, teal, and yellow stripes. There's a split neck with a V, and look at this detail on the back, a little ruching on the back. Now, this is kind of sheer. So yeah, this is one that will need a cami. I like this one. This is by Couture. That's a brand I like. Next piece is a dress. Okay. This is a navy color. This is a polyester, like a knit dress. And this is by the brand Chris and Carol. It's a V-neck. Is it a wrap? No, I can't tell if it's a wrap or a faux wrap. Okay, this is a faux wrap dress. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on. We'll see how it looks. I don't know right off the bat. We do have a bit of a flutter sleeve there, and this is probably a beautiful dress to wear to church. We'll see what the price is and if it fits in my wardrobe. Okay, next up we have this beautiful cobalt blue, which always makes my eyes look a little bit bluer. It's a V-neck, and it appears to be a dolman style. So this feels super silky, like maybe it's silk. I know it's not silk, but that's the feeling, a satin silky feeling. So it's probably going to feel amazing on. This is a really good color, and I like that it is more of a casual cut. So hopefully that works out. Ooh, this one's pretty. Look at this. This is by the brand Magazine, and okay, this is a little bit more muted than the others, but it's got some beautiful colors purple and blue, some pink, some polka dots. Is this a tab sleeve? Yes, I think this is. Yes, this is a tab sleeve top. It's also a little bit thin, but this is a tunic length it looks like. So, oh, I like it. And then the last thing we have are Liverpool. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. You guys, okay. I don't know about these pockets, but I like the style of these pants. These are a capri, a straight leg capri. They do have the patch pockets on the front, but they have the side slits there. This is what the back looks like. Okay, I have been trying pants like this. I got something similar to this in one of my boxes last week. I really liked it. It wasn't a great fit on me. These are Liverpool. Cross your fingers that it works. As promised, I will read my stylist's note. She says, "Hi, Kelly. I sent a great pair of capris. The tops will be cute with them. Try a little front tuck with the tops. I hope you enjoy the collection. Happy 4th from Annie." And she also says, "Enjoy the gift in celebration of our anniversary. Try it tied in your hair." Such a good idea. So yeah, I thought I would give it a try. So I have my invoice here, and the total of all 5 pieces in this bag comes to $249. Now, Natalie Attired has the bomb when it comes to discounts. If I keep all 5 items, there's a 30% discount, which brings the total of this box to $160.30. That's a marvelous price. But Natalie Attired also offers a discount if you keep 3 or 4 items. So I'm always hoping to be able to keep at least 3 in every single Natalie Attired box because I love getting a discount. Now, this one is tough because I did have some fit issues. Let's talk about that. So the Liverpool crops, I was so excited about these, and unfortunately, my stylist sent these in one size smaller than I normally wear, and if anything, I need larger, at least my size or one size up. So yeah, these are in a size 6, and they were uncomfortably tight through the thighs and the hips, and so these just didn't work. But you know what I'm going for, something very, very similar to this. Now, these are a denim crop, and they feel like a chambray. They're really super, super thin. So I don't know how I feel about that either. It also comes with a detachable belt, and I don't really care for that either. And the reason being is you have to front tuck when you have this hanging tied belt in the front. Now, it would be really cute if you want to tuck something in, but the waist didn't fit at a good height for me. Probably had I had my size, they would have fit so much better, but these felt like a mid-rise, and that tie right below my belly button. I didn't care for these. They're $89. I was so hopeful that these were going to work, but I'm going to send these back. I am not going to exchange them because I would really want to try on my size to see if I wanted them or not. So yeah, unfortunately, I think these are a miss this time. The next top, this striped top by DNA Couture. I love the colors in this top. Now, this is a brand I'm very familiar with because one of my other sub boxes sends me DNA Couture in every single shipment, I think. And this one was sent in a size medium, and I always get a size large. I think this brand might run just a little bit small, and I did feel like it was a little bit too tight on me. I like the colors. Again, this one is $36, and I think that's actually a little bit high for this brand. I've never paid that much for DNA Couture. It's a really lightweight, super cute. I appreciate that my stylist sent it. She probably knew I was going to love the colors in this, but I wasn't completely sold on the fit. So yeah, what do you think? Should I request a larger size? I think I'm going to send this one back. Okay, the next one is the blue top. This one is by Naked Zebra. This is in a size medium, and I think it's too big. It was a really, really boxy fit. I love the color. I love the way the fabric feels. But one thing I did notice, I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but there is, yeah, it's probably not. There's a pool in this blouse. So I'm not going to get this one simply because it is already damaged and it's probably a really delicate fabric. But I haven't had any luck with this Naked Zebra brand. This is the best color I've ever received in Naked Zebra, but I don't like the fit. It's way too boxy and perhaps just a little bit too big. It's not all bad, guys. I love the magazine top. Now, I bought the magazine top in my last Natalie Attired, and this is 100% cotton, so you know this is a really nice fabric to wear in the summertime. This is a tab sleeve, and I did show you in the try-on with it rolled up and also with it full length, because that's pretty important. I normally will wear them full length or perhaps just cuff them one time. I love the colors on this. I like the fabric on this. I'm pretty crazy about the fit on it as well. I'm pretty much sold on this brand magazine. This one is only $36. I'm surprised by that. This seems like a blouse that would cost more, so I feel really fortunate to be able to get this one at such a super price. Last piece of clothing is the dress, and this is by Chris and Carol. It is not a wrap dress. I was confused because it does have a couple tiers of ruffles on it. This dress is a high-low. It's a little bit shorter in the front. It has a fabulous movement. I like the V-neck. It is not too revealing. The flutter sleeves are nice as well. This dress is only $49. That's a super price. The only thing I'm not sold about is the print on this dress. I've never been really crazy about the big floral prints. I do own some. I'm just not that crazy about it. But this dress was very, very fun to wear. The movement on it is great. And because the neckline is wonderful and the skirt is fun, this is something I'm considering. What do you think about this one? I'm iffy about it, so I would really like to hear your feedback on this dress. So I know I am going to keep the magazine top. I love the one I got last month, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be crazy about this one as well. Please let me know what you think about the dress and what you think about this Natalie Attired. Have you tried Natalie Attired? If you haven't, all the information is below. I appreciate it if you use my link. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? I am so happy that you joined me once again. I have more videos coming, so make sure that you are subscribed, tap the notifications, and come back for another video. I would love to see you again. Blessings to all of you.